Hello, welcome to this video. Today I am going to solve an 8th class level Olympiad question. X cube minus 3 plus root 3 of x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to. So to solve this equation, the solution actually now is start here. So this is x cubed minus, using the distributive property I can write minus 3x minus root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So in these two terms, I have x a common factor. So that's why I can write x times x square minus 3 minus root 3x plus this 3 I can write root 3 square is equal to 0. So x times x square minus 3 minus root 3 times x, when this minus is taken outside as a common factor, this positive one becomes negative, and from this minus root 3 square, 1 root 3 is taken outside as a common factor. Here I have 1 root 3 is equal to 0. And in this one, x times x square minus 3 can be written as root 3 square minus root 3 times x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So here, using the algebraic identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So I can expand the two terms present inside this parenthesis, x square minus root 3 square, using this algebraic identity. So this gives x times, so a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. So this gives x plus root 3 times x minus root 3 minus root 3 times x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So this is a single term and this is the another term. So from these two terms, x minus root 3 can be taken outside as a common factor. So x minus root 3 times x times x plus root 3 minus root 3 is equal to 0. So here the product is equal to 0. Either one of them should be equal to 0. So x minus root 3 is equal to 0, or I multiply by x square plus root 3x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So if x minus root 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to root 3. So one solution I have here. So if this is not, or even if this is equal to 3, this can also be equal to 0. That is x square plus root 3x minus root 3 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in x. To solve this quadratic equation, I use the method of solving a quadratic equation by using the formula. So here a is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of x square, and b is equal to root 3, which is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term, which is minus root 3. And the formula to find the roots of a quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus b, which gives minus root 3, plus or minus square root of b square, root 3 square, now without root, it is 3, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus root 3. With this minus and minus I multiply, it becomes positive root 3 divided by 2 times 1. So the simplifications I do here. So x is equal to minus root 3 plus or minus square root of 3 plus 4 root 3 divided by 2, and further simplifications are not necessary. If needed, this root 3 here outside with 3 to the power of 1 by 4 can be taken outside as a common factor. Still you can get root 3 here and 4, and even after those calculations, after those simplifications, the final answer remains as a third. So that's why instead of simplifying it, I will leave it here. And these are the two values of x here. I have one value with this plus sign and the other value with this minus sign, and already there is a value x is equal to root 3 also. So it is a cubic equation. So here we have three values of x. We got one is x is equal to root 3, and the other two are minus root 3 plus or minus square root of 3 plus 4 root 3 whole divided by 2. So here we have to observe that all the three values which I got here are irrational numbers. That is thirds I got. X is equal to root 3 one value, and x is equal to minus root 3 plus or minus square root of 3 plus 4 root 3 by 2. And it happened because in the given equation the coefficients are all not rational numbers. If the coefficients were rational numbers, I could have got at least one rational root. But here the coefficients contain a irrational number. That's why here in the solution also I got all the three roots which are irrational. So this point is to be observed here. So it is an interesting equation once given for high school level, especially maybe for 8th class standard mathematical Olympiad. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.